Hey everyone! Today, I want to share my thoughts on the adjustable foot pad P060018-A1, a replacement part that works seamlessly with Spirit Soul Fitness treadmills. If you're like me and prefer maintaining your exercise equipment, this could be a game-changer. To get started, make sure you locate your treadmill's model name and model serial number. This information is crucial for finding the right replacement parts. For serial numbers, the first 2 to 5 characters are sufficient. Now, diving into the compatibility options mentioned in the product description is key. The P060018-A1 is designed to fit specific models, so double-checking this information ensures a perfect match for your treadmill. If you're not comfortable diagnosing and fixing the issue yourself, the product description also suggests connecting with a fitness technician in your area. They can help you with the installation, making the process hassle-free. In my experience, the leveling adjustable foot pad does its job effectively. It's sturdy, easy to install, and most importantly, it brings back stability to your treadmill. The build quality is impressive, and I appreciate the detailed instructions provided. So, if you're in need of a reliable replacement part for your Spirit Soul Fitness treadmill, the P060018-A1 adjustable foot pad is worth considering. Keep your workout routine uninterrupted by ensuring your equipment stays in top-notch condition. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.